If your game downloads get stuck when installing, try turning the Wi-Fi on and off in your headset. Also, try changing your router settings from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz. Never waste money on games again. Look out for this free trial logo that you'll see underneath games in the app library. And also, using the app, you can get a refund on games that you don't like if you haven't played them for more than 2 hours. For increased battery life, you can buy a capsule power bank. There are no wires and they're super lightweight. If you have a spare foam interface, consider cutting it. This gives you a mixed reality feel like the Quest Pro. It makes you feel less tired using the headset and helps reduce motion sickness. Stay in the center of your play space by placing a keyboard wrist rest on the floor. Now you don't need your Guardian boundary to be so sensitive, so turn on the advanced settings. And this will give you a lot more control over the Guardian sensitivity. Or you can create a Guardian boundary as big as possible and just ignore all the object warnings that you get. For access to tons of different virtual home environments, you can install SideQuest on your headset. In seated mode, for more enjoyment, use a spinning chair, and for better gameplay, use the accessibility options in the settings menu and increase your seated height. Keep your tracking cameras optimized by cleaning them with a lens cloth. And when you're not using the headset, you can protect these lenses with a pair of socks. You can take a photo by holding the Oculus button and pressing the trigger at the same time, but you can also take a video by holding the trigger and the Oculus button for just a little bit longer. For more Quest 2 tips, you'll want to watch these videos next. Share your tips and tricks and hacks in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.